Handcrafted, hand-stitched, lightweight, breathable, slip-resistant, summer, outdoor, travel, casual rubber shoes for men. It's a striking pair of white leather shoes with an innovative modern design that blends functionality with aesthetic flair. The shoes feature cut-out panels on the upper, revealing a golden interior lining that adds a subtle pop of color and suggests breathability. The upper is made of textured fabric, refreshing and comfortable. A sleek black rubber sole with white stitching provides contrast and emphasizes durability, while the side panel showcases a minimalist printed tree-in-a-circle motif, hinting at a nature-inspired branding. The zipper, with a metallic clasp, offers a customizable fit, giving the footwear a sporty yet refined look. Overall, the design feels versatile, suitable for casual wear or stylish outings, balancing clean lines, textured accents, and thoughtful detailing that elevates everyday comfort into a fashion statement. Its availability in four colors: white, royal blue, black, and khaki, and in 7 sizes, hint at a versatile product line that caters to diverse tastes and fits, making the shoe both expressive and accessible.
Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to get notified for new upload. Please check out the end screens for more contents like this. Thank you for watching.